few phrases, and these few phrases are really powerful phrases. His authority became too familiar, so now you no longer fear him. His miracles became too familiar, so now you are ungrateful. His presence became too familiar, so now you no longer seek it. His grace became too familiar, so now you use it as an excuse to sin. When we become too familiar of the goodness of Jesus, we begin to pursue things outside of His will. We begin to pursue things outside of His faithfulness. Natingala ka, pulo naman kay ka sa paghigugma niya. Ba't nga nung nangita naman kagugma sa lahi na lugar? Pulo naman kay ka sa joy niya. Ba't nga nung nangita naman kag-joy sa lahi na lugar? It's because we have been too familiar. So now we are seeking for approval in all the wrong places. Sometimes we have been too familiar of His instruction na karon ang ginasik na to na approval